They're going that way.
Yep. August. There's dolphins!
There's dolphins! The trip is complete!
Run, run!
Hallelujah!
Yeah.
Who's making fun of my binoculars now?
Praise the Lord.
Welcome to Grandma Kathysartventure. Today we're going to experiment with some epoxy resin bloom. Let's go! So I mixed up 5 ounces of Teexpert Fast Cure. I'm going to use yellow and red alcohol inks to make an orange. And I'm going to use a white pigment paste. And I'm going to use, I'm going to separate the white pigment paste into 2 cups. And I'm going to mix some black pigment paste in with the white pigment paste. And I'm going to experiment and see if I can get the black to bloom. So let's go.
And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now. Out replaying this scene where we share the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories, and I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine. This whole melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you, or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe, and I know you're better off this way if you're reading this now.
Alright, this one first. Oh, they're still bendy. There's that one. Ooh, there's that one. So what I decided after I unmolded them, I wasn't sure what kind of a background I wanted to put on. So I ended up going with a black background. And you'll see that here in just a minute. Here's that one. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and I put black on the back, and it's still a little soft. And I had some little pieces of resin from my mat that's stuck on here. Found out the orange, but it's still a beautiful bloom. I need to keep my hands off of it because I'm putting fingerprints on the back. I have this background though, but I need to let them sit and cure for a while. And I even went with black on this one. So that's it. Here they are again. I like them all. I think this last one is my favorite. Thanks for joining us on the tag team today. Happy Monday, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.